Hey you! So we'll be unboxing the Fifine K690 today. It actually was catered by Juan Gadget and we got it from Lazada for 3,799. Kasama talaga yung presentation. So here's the first box. And we have Nilalala ko dito. Pixel by One Gadget. Actually, gusto ko talaga yung siya. Nilagyanan siya ng foam pan-tiktok. Tiktok ready talaga siya. Mas well-pack yung akin. Yeah. Here's the box. Delivered by One Gadget. So we got this Fifine K690 from Lazada. It's catered by One Gadget and it costs around 3,699, 3,899, and it's actually a USB type condenser microphone that has 4 polar patterns, one of which is cardioid. How do we even say that? Omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. So if you're looking for a budget microphone, then this is for you because that's what I needed. It also has a large diaphragm mic capsule. I don't know if I should point this out, but it says diaphragm. and it has an excellent sound quality. So I actually think that it does have an excellent sound quality because of course I tried it, I tried listening to the microphone before I recorded. And so far all I want to do is host a small karaoke party right now. And yeah, that's Fifine for you. Look at that happy face. Fifi me. I don't even know. Fifi me. So I'm really excited to stream with the new mic. Let's go. Yeah. Bye.